In this video, I'll show you how to pay bills using Wise. Step 1. Gather bill details. Obtain the payee's bank account info. This includes account number, IBAN, SWIFT, BC, name, address from your bill or invoice. Step 2. Log into Wise and choose Send Money. Sign into Wise, go to Send Money, and choose the payee's country or currency for your transfer. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 3. Enter payment amount and details. Type the exact amount to pay. Enter recipient as business or organization if required. Step 4. Add reference. Include a reference, bill, invoice number, name, or purpose to help the payee identify your payment. Step 5. Choose your payment method. Select your Wise balance, debit or credit card, or a linked bank account to fund the transfer. Step 6. Review and confirm. Check all details carefully for accuracy and then confirm your payment. Step 7. Track completion. Wise will notify you when the bill payment is complete. View status in the app or website. Now I have some tips for paying bills with Wise. Always use the payee's official bank details and double check for errors. Use clear payment references. This prevents lost or unallocated payments. Save favorite billers for faster repeat payments. And that's how you pay your bills with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try to help you.